We can get the TI-84 calculator to do all we need to in order to find the values associated with a t-test when we're testing the slope of a linear regression. First, you'll need to enter the data values into some lists. So if we push stat and then go to 1 for edit a list, I've already typed the values into lists 1 and list 2. So list 1 is the age in years and list 2 is the displacement in cubic inches. Now if I want to find the y-intercept, the slope, the t-test value, the p-value, and the number of degrees of freedom, I will do that by pushing stat, go over to tests, and then go to linear regression t-test, and then hit enter. And we're going to need to tell the calculator which list do we have our explanatory variable in and which list do we have our response variable in. And it's already laid out the way we have it. List 1 was age and list 2 was displacement in cubic inches. Leave the frequency at 1 and then select the correct direction for the alternative hypothesis, which this time we're testing if it's a positive slope. So we'll leave that the way it is. And then we'll come down and hit calculate. And we find the t-test value, 2.212 if we round to 3 decimal places. The p-value, 0.0157. 52 degrees of freedom. We find our a value, which is the y-intercept, and then the slope. And if we look towards the bottom of the screen, we also find our coefficient of determination and the correlation coefficient.